Coming to you live from the PCSO official draw court at the PICC. This is your Philippine Lotto Draw. And here's your host, Mr. Eric Inson.
Good evening, Lotto Philippines. Welcome po sa Philippine Lotto Draw. Get ready, Pilipinas, dahil naglalaki ang jackpot prizes po ang ipapamigay ng PCSO ngayong Sabado, January 28, 2012. Pwede po at panalo mula sa mga lucky numbers ng Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6-digit game, Clutches Lotto at Easy 2 Lotto. Kaya ihanda na po ang mga tickets dahil sabay-sabay po natin aalamin ang mga masaswerteng numero. Kasama siyempre ng mga bisita natin dito sa studio ang ating panel of judges sa pangunguna ng ating chairperson, Mr. Aljan Puncia. Kasama rin po natin ang representatives ng PCSO and Commission on Audit at siyempre ang ating PCSO Draw Coordinator. Good evening. Highlights po ng pre-draw procedures kanina, panoorin muna natin at sa aming pagbabalik. Lalaro na po tayo.
Gaganaping live draw, siniguro ng ating panel of judges and representatives from PCSO and Commission on Audit na maayos ang kondisyon ng draw machine. Only the operation of the remote switch button ang may human intervention. The random selection of draw balls, tatlong sets ang pinagpipilian for each game. All balls in all sets have almost exactly the same weight. Lahat po ng bola ay tinimbang at covered po ito ng video. Tapos masiguro na ito ay kumpleto, ang chairperson lamang ang makakapag-load ng draw balls na gagamitin sa mga draw.
Good luck, Pilipinas! Get ready to play Grand Lotto 655. Tonight's Grand Lotto 655 jackpot prize, 158,570,712 pesos. Kasama po ng ating draw coordinator, ang chairman ng panel of judges, Mr. Puncia, sir. Please press that button and let's play Grand Lotto. Maraming salamat po sa ating chairperson. Kaya kasama natin sir sa ating Lotto 642. Sa lahat po na may tickets for the Grand Lotto draw, good luck. And the first number is about to come up. And that number is
Number 19.
19. 6 lucky balls po ang pipili ng ating Saturn machine out of 55 draw balls. In any order po yan to win the jackpot prize. The second number.
Number 7.
Number 7. Ingatan mabuti ang mga lotto tickets dahil sensitive po mga yan. Bawal pong mabasa at mainitan ang mga lotto tickets. The third number, sir.
Number 9.
Number 9. Ugaliin pong pirmahan ang likod ng inyong mga tickets para siguradong kayo lang ang makakapag-claim ng inyong panalo kung sakali. And the fourth number, sir.
Number 36.
36. If you got those 4 numbers, 2,000 pesos ang siguradong sa inyo. At kung 5 numbers ang makuha, 150,000 pesos ang premyo. And the fifth number, sir.
Number 20.
Number 20. Isang number na lang po hinihintay nating piliin ng ating Saturn machine. Good luck po sa lahat ng mga nanumumuro for tonight's Grand Lotto. And the sixth and final number.
Number 29.
We have 29. Recapping the official Grand Lotto 655 winning numbers in any order, we have 19, 7, 9, 36, 20, and 29 for the jackpot prize of 158,570,712 pesos. Tuloy natin ang pamimigay ng multi-million premyo. Let's play Lotto 642. Tonight's Lotto 642 jackpot prize, 23,792,106 pesos and 60 centavos. Kasama po muli ng ating draw coordinator, ang chairman ng ating panel of judges, Mr. Puncia, sir. Please press that button and let's play Lotto 642. Maraming salamat po muli sa ating chairperson and the rest of the panel of judges sa pagiging bahagi po ng pag-aatid ng swerte tonight. 6 out of 42 votes naman po ang inintay nating piliin ng ating Mega Gem. In any order din po yan. Alright. And the first number, Mr. Draw Coordinator.
Number 37.
Number 37. Sa mga ngayon lang nag-tune in, we are currently playing the Lotto 642 draw and waiting for the over 23 million winning combination. And the second number.
Number 5.
Number 5. Para hindi ho mamiss ang favorite Lotto games, mag-advance draw system play kung saan pwede ho kayo bumili ng tickets from 2 up to 6 consecutive draws. And the third number,
Number 27.
27. Para po sa ating sweepstakes fans, pwede na ho kayo bumili ng People Power Sweepstakes draw tickets. Gaganapin po ang draw nito sa February 26, 2012. And the fourth number, sir,
Number 33.
33. If you got those four numbers, 500 pesos na po ang panalo. At kung pati itong pang-limang number, makuha nyo, 20,000 pesos ang premyo po ninyo. And the fifth number is
Number 40.
number 40. We are waiting for the sixth number to be drawn by the Mega Jam. Once again, good luck. And to complete our Lotto 642 winning combination, the sixth and final number
Number 2.
is the number 2. Philippines, here are the official Lotto 642 winning numbers in any order. 37, 5, 27, 33, 40, and 2 for the jackpot prize of 23,792,106 pesos and 60 centavos. Para po sa mga nagtatanong tungkol sa People Power Sweepstakes Draw, gaganapin po ito sa February 26, 2012. Pwede na ho kayo bumili ng tickets sa mga Lotto outlets, PCSO branch offices at sa mga favorite sweepstakes agents. Alright, exclusive game muna tayo para sa Luzon players. Luzon, get ready with your tickets. Let's play the 6-digit game. We are now playing the 6-digit game, and as of our last draw, ang laying first prize umabot na po sa 1.9 million pesos. To win the first prize, dapat makuha nyo ang 6-digit winning combination in exact order. Maliban po sa first prize, meron tayong consolation prizes, 40 pesos all the way to 40,000 pesos per 10 peso play. Yan po kung makukuha nyo ang first or last 2 to 5 numbers ng mapipiling 6-digit winning combination in exact order. There you have it, our 6-digit winning combination. Sir, can we have the first digit?
0.
0. Second digit?
Number 3.
Number 3. The third digit, sir?
Number 5.
Number 5. And the fourth digit?
Number 9.
Is the number 9. And the fifth digit is?
Number 1.
Number 1. And the sixth and final digit?
Number 5.
Number 5. Again, tonight's 6-digit winning combination is 0, 3, 5, 9, 1, and 5 in exact order. Sa evening edition ng Sweaters Lotto, kaninong ticket ho kaya ang siswertehin? Let's play Sweaters Lotto! Luzon and Visayas Mindanao Sweaters Lotto players, subok na sa mga tickets. Kaya salukuyan pong ilalaro natin ang Thrive Today Sweaters Lotto. Ang dali pong manalo at sumali dito, matching the 3-digit winning combination in exact order. Wins you 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play. At sa mga bumili ng tickets using the Rambolito, 750 or 1,500 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo po ninyo. Nakapili na po ang ating digit machine ng winning numbers. Sir, can we have the first digit?
Number 2.
Number 2, the second digit.
Number 4.
Number 4, and the third digit.
Number 7.
Number 7. Double check your tickets. Our Sweaters Lotto winning combination is 2, 4, and 7 in exact order. Libo-libong pa-premyo pa rin ang dala ng huling game ng gabi. Let's play Easy 2 Lotto! Easy 2 fans, dalawang numbers po, sigurado may instant cash prizes na katapat. Ang dali po maglaro at manalo. Pumili lang ng tigisang number sa bawat subset ng Easy 2 game panel numbered from 1 to 31. Dito po, instant 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang regalo mo kung mamatch ang mapipiling Easy 2 winning combination in exact order. Pwede rin po i-rumble ng numbers using the Rambolito, kung saan 2,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo. Alright? Sir, can we have the first number?
Number 2.
Number 2, and the second number?
Number 5.
Number 5. Recapping tonight's Easy 2 Lotto winning numbers, we have 2 and 5 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nanalo. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo bukas. Mga games natin, Easy 2 Lotto, Sweaters Lotto at Super Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot prize na 37 million pesos. Buy your tickets early para hindi na maabutan ng mahabang pila. Okay, recap time po tayo. Umpisahan natin sa resulta ng 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Lotto draw. Para sa Nationwide Easy Pool Lotto 11 a.m. draw, ang winning numbers po ay 16 and 17 in exact order. Sa Nationwide Breakfast Lotto 11 a.m. draw, the winning combination is 6, 3, and 0 in exact order. For the Nationwide Easy Pool Lotto 4 p.m. draw, the lucky numbers are 23 and 16 in exact order. And for the Nationwide Breakfast Lotto 4 p.m. draw, we've got a combination 4, 4, and 8, also in exact order. Congratulations to all our winners! At para po sa katatapos lang ng mga draws, narito po muli ang mga winning numbers. Let's start with the 82 Lotto. We have 2 and 5 in exact order. The Sweaters Lotto, 2, 4, and 7 in exact order. The 6-digit game, 0, 3, 5, 9, 1, and 5 in exact order. Sa ating Lotto 642, in any order, we have 37, 5, 27, 33, 40, and 2 for the jackpot prize of 23,792,106 pesos and 60 centavos. At sa atin naman pong Grand Lotto 655, in any order, 19, 7, 9, 36, 20, and 29 for the jackpot prize of 158,570,712 pesos. Ang inaabangan po nating lahat, may winner ba tayo or wala? Ayon po sa main computer center ng PCSO, no winner sa Grand Lotto 655 na may jackpot prize na umabot sa mahigit 158 million pesos. Samantala sa Lotto 642 naman, no winner para po sa jackpot prize na mahigit sa 23 million pesos. May pag-asa pa po. Para po sa PCSO, ako si Eric Inson. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.